8 secret exam cheating gadgets for students. Cheating on exams can be a potent tool for students struggling to get ahead in their studies. Whether it's an academic test, a job interview, or something else, there are now some advanced gadgets available to help you outsmart even the most difficult tests. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore 8 secret exam cheating gadgets for students. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. From smartwatches to Bluetooth devices and more, here are 8 secret exam cheating gadgets that every student should know about. With these tools and strategies in your toolkit, you will be well equipped to ace any exam and take your studies to the next level. Number 1. 24-up rolling paper pen. A rolling paper pen is a type of pen that uses rolling paper instead of traditional paper. These pens are said to be the ultimate cheating gadget for students because they allow you to write on both sides of the paper at once. This means that you can take notes on one side and then use the other side to write down the answers to your exam. There are a few different brands of rolling paper pen available, but they all work in essentially the same way. To use a rolling paper pen, you simply need to insert a piece of rolling paper into the pen's barrel. Once the paper is inserted, you can start writing on both sides of the paper at once. The biggest advantage of using a rolling paper pen is that it allows you to be much more discreet when cheating on an exam. Since you can write on both sides of the paper, it's much less likely that your cheating will be discovered. Additionally, rolling paper pens are very small and easy to conceal, so you can easily keep them hidden on your person during an exam. If you're looking for a way to cheat on your next exam, a rolling paper pen may be just what you need. These pens are easy to use and very discreet, so they're perfect for anyone who wants to get ahead without getting caught. Number 2. Spy camera pen. A spy camera pen is a great gadget for students who want to cheat on exams. This type of pen has a hidden camera that can be used to record the exam. The recordings can then be played back later to help the student study for the test. There are many different types of spy camera pens available on the market. Some of them have extra features like audio recording or night vision. Others are more basic and only have the camera function. No matter which type you choose, make sure that it is small and discreet so that it can be easily hidden during an exam. Number 3. 24-up 3MPD foot mini wireless earpiece. If you're looking for a small, discreet earpiece to help you cheat on your exams, the 3 Monogasque Pullers foot mini wireless earpiece is a great option. This earpiece is hidden inside of a sock, and it can be connected to any MP3 player or smartphone. You can then use the earpiece to listen to music or audio instructions from your phone without anyone else being able to hear it. The foot mini wireless earpiece is a great way to secretly cheat on exams without getting caught. Number 4. Zenko Tiny T1. The Zenko Tiny T1 is one of the smallest and most discreet cheating gadgets available on the market. This miniature mobile phone is designed to be hidden in the palm of your hand, making it the perfect tool for surreptitious cheating on exams. The Zenko Tiny T1 features a full keyboard and a small display, allowing you to covertly send text messages or access social media sites without being caught by your teacher. Number 5. 24-up Magic Calculator Vault 3. The Coopy Magic Calculator Vault 3 is one of the most popular cheating devices for students. It is a small, handheld calculator that can be used to store and recall formulas, equations, and other information. The device is also programmed with a special function that allows it to calculate exam answers. Many students use the Coopy Magic Calculator Vault 3 to store formulas and equations that they need for their exams. The device makes it easy to recall this information during the exam, which can give users an advantage over those who do not have access to the device. The Coopy Magic Calculator Vault 3 also has a special function that can be used to calculate exam answers. This function uses a formula that takes into account the difficulty of the question and the time limit of the exam. This allows users to get an accurate answer to any question on the exam without having to waste time solving the problem themselves. The Coopy Magic Calculator Vault 3 is one of the most popular cheating devices for students because it is small, handheld, and easy to use. The device can give users an advantage on exams by providing them with information that they would otherwise not have access to. Number 6. Lazy glasses. Lazy glasses are a type of cheating device that allows students to see the test answers written on the glasses lenses. To use lazy glasses, Simply wear them during the exam and look down at your lap when you need to cheat. The lenses of the glasses will reflect the test answers back up to your eyes, allowing you to read them without anyone else knowing. Lazy glasses are a great option for students who want to be able to cheat on exams without getting caught. They're also relatively inexpensive, making them a good choice for budget-conscious cheaters. However, lazy glasses can be uncomfortable to wear for long periods of time, and they can be easily spotted by proctors or other students if they're not used discreetly. Number 7. Zen SOS Ring. The Zen SOS Ring is a wearable device that looks like a regular ring, but has a hidden camera and microphone. It's perfect for secretly recording lectures or taking pictures and videos of exams. The camera and microphone are controlled by a smartphone app, so you can start and stop recording with just a few taps. The Zen SOS Ring is also very discreet. The camera is small and hidden inside the ring, and the microphone is only activated when you tap the ring twice. The Zen SOS Ring is also waterproof and dust-proof, so you can take it with you anywhere without worrying about damaging it. Plus, the battery life is good. It can last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. Number 8. Invisible Ink Pen. Invisible ink pens are a popular cheating gadget for students because they allow the user to write hidden messages that can only be seen with a special light. This makes it easy to pass notes or cheat on tests without getting caught. There are many different brands of invisible ink pen available, so be sure to do your research before purchasing one. Some pens use UV reactive ink, while others use a heat-sensitive formula. The UV reactive pens require a black light to reveal the message, while the heat-sensitive ones require a lighter or match to make the ink appear. Whichever type you choose, make sure that it is of good quality and won't give away your secret messages. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.